Hey guys, so really simple how to split your screen on the iPad. Let's say you found something on Google that you want to take a couple of notes on. All you're going to do is you're going to scroll from the bottom up and you're going to bring up your dock. In this case, I'm going to use my OneNote app. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on it and I'm going to drag it either to the right or the left, depending on where I want it. So maybe I want it here. I still have my finger pressed on it, or if I want it on the left-hand side. And then I just release and it creates that split screen effect. In addition, if I want my one screen to be larger than the other, I can grab hold of the scroll in the middle, this gray scroll, and I can drag either right or left, and it'll make one window larger than the other. If I'm ready to get rid of the split screen feature, then I'm going to grab that same scroll there, and I'm going to swipe it all the way to one direction, either right or left. So in this case, I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to swipe it right, and I'm back on the OneNote. If I swipe it left, I would have been on the Google website. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope it's easy to follow. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.